Ever heard the whispers of a new financial revolution? A platform promising high returns and a chance to be your own boss? If you've been browsing online lately, you've probably stumbled upon Raiz. But with all the excitement, a big question pops up: is Raiz actually regulated? Because let's face it, in the wild world of finance, trust is hard-earned. You don't want to put your hard-earned cash into something that might disappear overnight. So, buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of Raiz and figuring out if it's a safe space for your money. What is Raiz? Before we dissect the regulations, let's get a quick rundown of what Raiz actually is. In essence, Raiz is a fintech company, also known as a financial technology company. They use fancy algorithms and online platforms to offer financial services, specifically investment products. Think of it like this: instead of walking into a traditional bank, you use Raiz app to invest your money. They offer a variety of investment options, allowing you to choose a plan that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Why regulation matters? Now, here's why the whole regulation thing matters. When you invest your money, you're essentially handing it over to someone else to manage. In a perfect world, they grow your money and everyone's happy. But what happens if things go south? This is where regulations come in. They act like guardrails, ensuring that financial institutions play by the rules. These rules are designed to protect investors from fraud, mismanagement, and other nasty surprises. So, is Raiz regulated? All right, enough with the suspense. Here's the good news: Raiz operates in several countries, and depending on your location, the answer is yes, Raiz is regulated. For our viewers in Nigeria specifically, Raiz operates as Raiz Nigeria Limited. This company is licensed and regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Nigeria. You can double-check this information on the SEC Nigeria's website for peace of mind. What does regulation mean for you? Regulation isn't just a fancy word. It translates into real benefits for you as an investor. Here's a quick rundown of what SEC regulation means for you. Consumer protection: the SEC has rules in place to ensure Raiz treats you fairly and discloses all relevant information about their investment products. Reduced risk of fraud: regulations make it more difficult for Raiz to misuse your funds or engage in any shady practices. Dispute resolution process: if you ever have a disagreement with Raiz, there's a formal process in place to help resolve the issue. Beyond regulation, building trust. While regulation is a crucial factor, it's not the only thing to consider. Building trust goes beyond legal requirements. Here are some additional points to keep in mind. Track record: how long has Raiz been around? Do they have a history of responsible financial practices? Transparency: does Raiz clearly explain their investment products, fees, and risks involved? Customer reviews: what are other users saying about their experience with Raiz? Raiz, not a free pass. Just because Raiz is regulated doesn't mean it's a guaranteed path to riches. Remember, all investments carry some level of risk. It's important to do your own research, understand the different investment options offered by Raiz, and choose a plan that aligns with your financial goals. So, there you have it. Raiz is a regulated platform in Nigeria, offering a variety of investment products. But remember, regulation is just one piece of the puzzle. Do your research, understand the risks, and invest wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.